Are you ready to turn this 12 by 12 piece of pattern paper into some card holders? Look how stinking cute these are. What? And they open up and you can put your note cards in it and some envelopes and present them as a beautiful gift. Welcome, welcome, my crafty friends. I'm Dawn, creator of Dee Dee Creates Crafts. This is the Facebook page for simple solutions to all your crafty questions. Are you ready to create some crafts? First thing we're going to do is turn this 12 by 12 pattern paper into this darling little note card holder. So I do have a pattern. If you have a one directional pattern, be sure to put it to the top of your paper trimmer, because my paper trimmer both cuts and scores. So if you've got a score pal, then you're going to do the same thing. So let's start with our scoring. What we're going to do is score at 2. We're going to score at 5 3/4. We're going to score at 6 1/4 and finish it up scoring at 10. Then I want you to rotate it just to one side and we're going to score again. We're going to score at 2 1/2 and we're going to score at 8 1/2. All right, so now your scoring is done and this is where the fun begins. I want you to hold your paper. I'm going to turn it back the original way because I want the corners, your four corners, to look like rectangles. Then what you're going to do is take the point and you're going to fold it down until this side matches this score line right here. Now you're going to think to yourself, well, there's still a lot more space right here, and you are correct. Just ignore that. The main thing is fold your point until this side matches the score line, and you're going to do it on all four sides, okay? So then what I want you to do on these other two score lines, because these score lines give you 2 inches on each of these sides, that's how you'll know you're working in the correct direction. So you're going to fold this under. So see, it's got the diagonal looking. So we're hiding the points, we're hiding the corners. Fold it under. Yay! Fold it that way. Flip it over. We're going to fold it this way. And then what we've done, we're kind of done. Just kind of eyeball how much string you're going to need. And you're going to put it down in the middle because these kind of go closed like that. So what I want to do is just a little bitty bit on the edges here is just put just a tiny, tiny bit of tape runner. I'm going to put that towards the middle. Let's do the other side. Yep, I'm okay. So now we've got that nice little 1/2 inch right there that forms the back, the binder. It's going to look like a book. We've got our string in the middle. So then what I can do is come in here with our note cards, and these are about 3 1/2 by 5. 3 1/2 by 5. You could cut these yourselves out of your cardstock. You just need some envelopes. And yes, since you asked, I will put the item numbers below in the comment section. Let's tie us a little bow. But I just love the simplicity of how this looks. So what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Here's the one, I'll put it in the middle, that doesn't have a tie. So it's cute as a button, but do you see what I'm talking about? I just love the way these lay so beautifully and so flat. So what I want you to do is tell me below if you're gonna make this. Tell me below if you can believe how simple it was. Let's call it origami. Basically, it was a fun fold note card gift pouch. Now you can make these in different sizes. You can make them smaller to hold a gift card. You can make them larger to hold an A2. The world is your oyster. So tell me below if you love this, and tell me if you would like the PDF tutorial. And if you want it, tell me in the comment section and I will email that to you. I hope you had as much fun as I did making these precious, here's the other one, little note card holders. What? Won't these be precious little gifts? These would make the most precious DIY gifts in the history of the world. I want you to remember 3 things now. I want you to remember 1, to follow Dee Dee Creates Crafts. 2, to hit the heart button. Boop! Go ahead and hit the heart button and love this video. 3, I want you to share and comment below. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye now.